Welcome to my YouTube channel at Ideas underscore FX, Sam Trades Forex. So, as you know, this channel is solely for documenting and trading raw price action. So, what I'm currently doing is I'm currently trading with Next. I'm trading in the January competition for 2026. I'll be trading live, but not just live funds. I'll be using my one shot, one kill concept, and also I'll be using my knowledge of ICT concepts in taking and many of these trades. The sole reason for this is to show you raw trading data with documented results and a video reference of me taking live trades to prove to you that I can trade the forex market and trade it profitably. All this can be accessed on the Funnynext platform for you to do your further analysis if what I'm doing is real or not. So basically, I'll be documenting what I can do as a forex trader with a $100,000 account size in a span of 1 month. So make sure you hit that like button. You can also share, but don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So let's get into details. It's a new year. Happy New Year. I started this account trading on the 2nd. That was on Friday last week. I started trading on Friday, trading this account, and I started with initial balance of $100,000. And on Friday, I made a profit of about $5,000, approximately 5,000, but 4,700 was what I made on Friday, and it was using the concept of ICT. Now, this is going to be a documentation journey of me trading $100,000 in a span of 1 month. You can see the time remaining. It is a competition, January competition on Funnynext. If you want to do your analysis, you can go to their website and check it out. So I'm currently up about 5,000 on the account size. The reason why I'm doing this is to show what I can do basically with trading and show that I can actually trade the forex market. This is the space where they document the growth curve of an account, so you can see it's live. I started around the 2nd and I'm up. You can see the account size there. So I think we should go into the chart now and let me show you what I've been able to do. At least we still have about 26 more days to go. For me, I have about 3 more weeks, or I think 4 more weeks of trading. Since you know I trade one shot, one kill, so I'll be looking for opportunities to take trades using my one shot, one kill, and also other kind of trades I might come about, maybe a day trade or a scalping opportunity. So let's go into the chart now. I'm using the MetaTrader for trading. So this is the live account where I'm trading. As you can see, I'm up 4,700. Let me show you my history. I will show you the trade I took that got me up last week Friday. It was a trade on Nasdaq 100. So let me show you my history, even though I've taken losses. So this is my history right now. Let me show you. Profit. We took 2 losses. We made profits, and closing for the day, we made a very, very huge mistake trading on silver, and we took a loss of about 4K. So even with the loss of 4K, I'm still up about 5K on the account, which is very good. But if you just for the first day of trading, so you can see it's all good, and yeah, we're moving. So currently, you can see I'm in a trade. Even though today is Sunday, the trade it's not really. The trade is not open, but at the same time it's open. That's because the forex market is usually closed on Saturdays and Sundays. That's why it's not moving. So I'm currently taking the position on GBP. Let me just show you the trade on GBP first. So the trade on GBP is kind of like a swing trading opportunity. A short. Yeah, it's kind of a swing trading opportunity. I'm anticipating GBP shorts, so I'm currently in the trade. Market is not open now, but I'm still in the trade. So going into the next week, I'll be looking at the charts to see what GBP is going to do for next week. So I'm in the trade, I'm in profits. I'm in the profit of about $200.80. So yeah, it's that for GBP. Let me now show you the trade I took on Nasdaq. That was Friday. That got me up about 5K on the account. So let's go into the chart. Let's delve into the chart. So we hit a daily order block around this area right here, and I wasn't opportunity to trade throughout Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, because we had January 1st being Boxing Day, and there's no trading on that day. So the only day that was left for me to trade was Friday. And also, cause the January competition started on the first trading day of January, which was January 2nd. That's why I was only opportune to trade on that Friday. So throughout the week, I've been anticipating probably we're going to see a shorting opportunity. Monday closed as an expansion here. We had further Tuesday closed as a consolidation. We had further expansions to the downside, and my bias was short. So going into the 4-hour chart, I was kind of anticipating a POI for me to frame a shorting opportunity. At first, what I saw was this breakout block we had here on the 4-hour chart, but then going into the charts, price did something else. So going into the day, I was anticipating this breakout block to send me lower. Initially, early in the morning, I was anticipating probably we see a sweep of this uh, of the PM session from Wednesday. I was anticipating a sweep of that and probably see us trade lower. Or eventually, what price did on Nasdaq was price swept the liquidity there and swept the high of Wednesday, and also swept the high of Tuesday, and also going deep into the breaker, into the range. So basically, the whole thing was kind of optimal trade entry, which was further confirmation that I'm likely to see a short on this trade. I don't think this is the end of the move. So basically, I go in around here and traded the shorts, I took profits around this area. The reason why I knew that that trade was going to be a good trade was because since I was anticipating the run on the sell stop at the PM session from Wednesday, and eventually went and took out Wednesday's high. Then I went to compare SMT with S&P. So going into US 500, US 500 failed to take out the Wednesday high. This was a failure swing here, while Nasdaq was making a higher high, taking out the Wednesday's high. That was further confirmation that I'm likely to see my shorting opportunity. So I got in with my position here, and I rode the move down here and took out my profit. I wasn't looking to take the trade for a one shot one kill opportunity. Why? Because I think the opportunity for the one shot one killer had already been delivered. This was just going to be a day trade. So this let me show you trading history so you know that this was a live trade I took. Trade history. So as you can see here, you can see I go in here. There was also I took an early position here. That's why you can see this one here. So this is the trade history. I sold here and took my profits at this area. That's what these arrows are showing you right now. I took my profits at this area, and that's why the accounts were up about 5k, even though I still took a loss. Well, the total positions I closed were about 8k. Let me show you my history. So total of these two positions here was total of about $8,000. And going into the end of the day, I went and made a very very big mistake, which is taking a trade on silver. I didn't really realize. Well, it is a mistake though, but it's all good. We won't be making that mistake anymore. Um, I made a loss of about 4k and decided to end the day trading. And thank God we're still up about 5k, and that's that for the trades I took. Going into next week, I'll still be anticipating further selling on Nasdaq and also GBP. I'm still anticipating further selling on GBP. And for gold, I'll still be looking for gold and bullish basically. I'm anticipating buys on gold. So this is just an introduction video to what I'm going to be doing. Hopefully next week we see good trading opportunities. Hopefully I'm able to document everything to show you the trades I'm going to be taking, to show you my live trading, and to show you it's not fake. Forex is real. I can make money on the forex market. So with that said, guys, hope you understand what I've been able to show you. Hope you understand what I'm showing you on the chat now. Don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. With that said, guys, good luck and see you next week.